Hi everybody, it's Wednesday, February 19th, and I do not like the S&P. The S&P is either going to do one of two things. It's going to go straight up to 6,500 or it's not. Here is something that worries me. See this little choppiness here that we took several days or 2 weeks? A, B, C, D, E. That looks like some sort of triangle. And triangles are only found in fourth waves or wave Bs. And I'm worried that this, I'm just going to circle it, that this is actually a wave B. Wave B. Let's write that down. All right. I'm worried that this is wave B. So then this would be A, B, C, and then we're going to go down. I'm sorry. This looks really bad to me. This looks really bad to me. I don't like this at all. This could just be the first part of the correction, and then this could be a B wave, and then this could be a C wave to go back down to 5,800. I don't like it. It does not feel good to me. So yeah, I advise that there be no positions on the S&P right now. No long positions on the S&P. I mean, if you want to put bets on this, you could. But yeah, it looks a little. This doesn't feel good. I've made good money on Uber. I made a little over 10%. I bought in at 73 and I sold up at 81.35. The reason why I just took the money and ran and didn't hold it is because is this five waves down? Is this move five waves down or is it three moves down? Is it ABC? So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a B wave, and then a C wave, and now we're going to go straight up. So that's very possible. It's very possible that Uber just goes straight up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, wave B, wave C, and then this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and it continues up. So yeah, I'm just going to put Uber on one of my now new favorite stocks to watch list, but I do not currently own it. I took my profits just in case this is an A, B, and a C wave. IONQ and qubits are no longer stocks on my radar. I'm not trading them. I just check in on them occasionally. If you want to trade the supercomputers, we always thought there was five wave move here, and you can go long above the 44.24 or 44.52. See this little area here? You can go long above that. Else, don't touch it. Don't touch it. The stock I'm thinking of buying into is Sofi, SOFI, Sofi Technologies. I'm a little worried because, if I'm right about the S&P and we go back down to 5,800, then Sofi is going to be taken down with it. But right now, this is kind of what I'm thinking. Wave 1, wave 2, and then it looks like this is like, I'm going to just say that this is wave 1, 2, and now we're subdividing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I'm thinking that this is the count on Sofi. Now, should I buy it here, even though the S&P is very weak, or should I wait? Here's the argument for buying Sofi here. All right, let's look at this. You see this here? This looks like A, B, C. You see that? A, B, C. This move down looks like three waves, and we took out that top yesterday. So, this can easily go back, this can, especially if the S&P goes down, then this will go down too. But it looks pretty good. So yeah, this is my debate right now. Do I want to buy into Sofi? Do I want to buy into Sofi, and do I want to buy today on Wednesday, February 19th? I am just sitting here thinking that. I have a couple hours. It's 9:30 in Europe, so I have several hours to debate this. So SoFi is a possible buy for me. Let's look at Germany for some clues about what the US markets are going to do. So I have wave 3, wave 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Then we have this sharp drop and here. So here's the $1,000,000 question, you guys. Is this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And then we'll do 4, 5 and go down? Or are we doing a bunch of nested waves? And are we really bullish? Are we 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5? Oh my goodness. I don't know. I don't know. But I know that, let me tell you, if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2 and this is actually wave 3, then the S&P is going to go to 6,500. And see, it's stuff like this that will stop you from taking puts or going short the S&P. So right now we don't know. So the DAX is saying that the S&P is bullish. The DAX is saying that the S&P is bullish. So yeah, okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to repeat this again. I like repeating myself. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That would be the count where we go back to 5,700 and then go up again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the count where we go straight to 6,500, if not beyond. Right? Right. Tesla is another one on my radar to buy. So we have A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe we will see a new low on Tesla closer to 300 before going up. That's what I believe. That's what I'm waiting for. I would love to buy it underneath this low. So, hi everybody. Now I'm looking at Meta. I think Meta is going to go to $1,000. So of course, now that I think Meta is going to go to 1,000, the question is, where do I get in? That's a good question. So I have this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going down. I just feel like Meta has more downside, so I'm not going to buy it, but I am watching it very closely, and you should watch it very closely too. And we should spend every day, I am going to watch Meta. Every day I'm going to look at Meta and I'm going to try to find a good buy price. This is 1, 2, maybe this is actually wave 3, 4, and this is 5. Do you see how this is weaker? It's like very overlappy. It's a little weak. This could actually be maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going into something. I don't know, but Meta is going to be a buy at some point.